In a certain environment, a colony of bacteria grows according to this formula. This is our basic growth formula. If you've done any work with any of this at all in the past, you've seen this, where P of O is the initial population, R is the rate of growth, and P represents the population after T hours. Suppose a colony of bacteria grows from 400, okay, so that's our P of 0. So I'm just going to fill this in as we do this, to 2,600, okay, so that's our finished population in R hours. So T up here is 6, and I'm going to probably rewrite this just because we're used to seeing it this way as 6R. So now this is our equation that we need to solve. So as we solve this, we are going to first, our goal is to isolate right here this E, the exponential, okay? So I'm going to divide both sides by 400. So over here, I'm going to get divided by 400, and this is going to go away, okay? Then I would probably reduce it just kind of to make myself easier. So this is the same as, I can delete those, I have 26 over 4, which is the same as 13 and a half. And I probably would rewrite it like that, kind of just to make myself easier. You could also write it as, I think it's 6 and a half. Yeah. Okay. Now at this point, we need to get to that R up there, right? So we need to undo it. So what undoes it? Well, the log. And since this is E, I need log base E, which in this case is the ln. So I'm going to take the ln of each side. So I'm going to have the ln of 13 halves equals the ln of E to the R. But these cancel each other out, which means I have the ln of 13 and a half equals 6R. Now this is an equation we all know how to solve, right? We just divide by 6. So now I'm going to get my calculator out. Okay, and I need to do 13 and a half. I'm going to take the ln of that, okay? And then I'm going to, I'm going to divide by 6. So then my answer is 0.311, so 0.312 equals R, or 31.2% is my growth rate. It just depends on how they ask it. They'll either say they want a decimal or a percentage. So hopefully this helps you. This is one of the probably most common equations you'll see, so it's a very good one to practice with.